Hello everyone. So in today's assignment, we have to learn how to write a program to find sum of all the digits of a number entered by the user. What we have to actually do is, let us assume I have taken a number, say 24. So the sum of digits is what? 2 plus 4. That is 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. So this is what we have to find out. Similarly, if the number is 123, find out the sum. 1 plus 2 plus 3, and that is equal to again 6. Take another number 1, 2, 3, 4. So the sum will be 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So that will be equal to 10. This is actually what we have to find out, right? So now how we are going to fetch this? If you have noticed in the number 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3 or 24, what we have to add is the numbers itself, that is 2, then 4, correct? It means by any means we have to get the number itself. And how we are going to get that? Let's just check it out. So number 1 point, I have to obviously iterate the situation. Why? Because I have to first, if I'll take this number, I have to first take 1 to add, then I have to take 2, then I have to take 3. So in short, I have to do multiple iterations, right, to get the numbers itself. So definitely I will iterate it, but up to 1, up to the number is greater than 0 only. Up to then only I can do iterations, because if the number is equal to 0, that's nothing to do with that. So what I will do now? Firstly, I will take the number. So let us assume the number is 24. I will divide it with 10 again. Why? Because it is a base number. I will divide it. So 10 2s are 20. The remainder is 4. Please mark this. Remainder is 4. Quotient here is 2. Okay. Can I say this is the number or the dividend? Right? So this is the number or the dividend, whatever you say. This is your quotient. And this is your remainder, right? Please make a note over here. So the first number which I have got between these two numbers is 4. If you can see over here, 4 is the number which I have got and which I have to add on. So I will take a number over here as sum, and I will store this value, sum, this remainder's value into here. Or I can do one thing, just for your sake. I will take a variable remainder and I will store this value 4 into this remainder value. Correct? So number 1 step, what I have done is remainder may, I will be storing the value number modulus 10. Right? So I have stored the value remainder may, what I have got is 4. Clear up to here? Then step number 2. Now I have to add this number. So I will do what? Let me assume I have taken a variable sum and I have initialized it with 0. So 0 plus 4 is equal to what? Is equal to 4. So in short, sum will be having the value 4 for now. Right? Right? Now the next step. The very next step. Because this is the 4, this is the remainder I have to add on. It is done. Now is what? Quotient. Let me focus on the quotient now. So quotient is what? 2. Now I will work on this quotient again. I will again divide it with 10. What I will get is quotient is now 1. 10 zeros are in fact, not even 1. 10 zeros are 0. Remainder I will get is 2. This was the thing which I needed. Okay, so initially I got 2. Now in the second iteration, again I have got number modulus 10. So what I have got this time is remainder is equal to 2, right? Initial at the first iteration I have got 4, and now in the second iteration I have got 2. So can we calculate the value of sum now? Yes. Sum's original value was 4. Now I have to do what? The old value of sum plus the new value of remainder, that is equal to, now sum is equal to 6, right? So can we generalize this sum wali statement? We have generalized this statement, but can we generalize this statement as well? So I will write it over here. The first statement will be this to execute. The second statement will be sum is equal to sum plus remainder, and third will be number is equal to number divided by 10, because I am obviously calculating the quotient. So now the quotient is 0. Definitely 10 divided by 0 means nothing for now, because anything divided by 0 is 0. So we do not need to do that iteration. Okay, so in short, we have got our final answer, that is 6. This is how we will calculate the sum of all the digits of a number entered by the user. Hope you have got it. Let's move on to the coding section now. So here as well, I'll be taking a variable number and I'll be taking the value 123. Okay, and I will be taking another number as sum is equal to 0. Then I'll be taking another number, remainder is equal to 0 for now. I'll be taking a loop while num is greater than 0. Till then, do what? Remainder may store the value of num modulus 10. Then sum is equal to sum plus remainder. And finally, num is equal to num divided by 10. Six, we have got the correct answer. You want to display it. Right? This is how we will add the sum of digits of a number. Hope you have got it. Thank you very much.